Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are very well. So today I back again with my another video and I will show some event from Gateway Exchanger again. So let's go. So now I'm in Gateway Exchanger. For joining the event, at first sign up your Gateway account. I will provide my registration link. By clicking the link you can sign up in Gateway Exchanger. Okay, so after coming to Gateway Exchanger, simply logging to your account, then scroll down. You can see that in ongoing time there are many events. So before going to any event, I want to share some startup mining. So for coming to startup mining, simply come in this launch option. Then there are startup mining, simply click on it. Then after clicking on startup mining, quick staking on potential new tokens, staked amount, fund raised, projects, and this is the total participants. Okay, so today I will share this airdrop. This project's name is airdrop 2049, and after 9 days 6 hours later this startup mining will end. So before in the project, everyone first join the project and just click stake, then just stake your amount. By staking UX link, or yeah, by staking UX link you will get reward in every single hour. So that's why guys, first join this startup mining program. Guys, this is our startup mining program. You can redeem it from here. You can also stake your UX link from here, and in my rewards option you can see the rewards history that you will get. Okay, so then there are also many other projects is still ongoing, like DApp, like Mac, like MSQ, like Catty. Then there are RBTC. So after 1 day later, yeah, after 2 days later, almost 2 days is left to end this project. So after 2 days later this project will end. So before in the project, everyone, you can also join this project that's named RBTC. Rocket Rabbit is a crypto gaming platform that combines engaging gameplay with the opportunity to earn real world cryptocurrency rewards through strategic battles and daily challenges. Okay, so you can come in here, you can stake RBTC coin in here. Minimum staked amount is 10,000 RBTC. So you can stake RBTC in here and you can get reward in every single hour, and you can see your reward in here. So let's go for our next event guys. So our next event or next offer is, wait, I will show that. I just search out the offer. Okay, so meme frenzy, soul versus stone, power up your team, win 25,000 USD prizes. So simply click on that. So simply click on it, and after clicking on it you will come in here. So you can see that the crypto team battle, join a team and trade to power up your team, split mega rewards. So there are team A soul and team B tone. If you know that, I always go for soul token because I just like this token too much. There are soul token, whiff token, bong token, popcat token, mew token, boom token, and mother token. And in our team B there are tone, catty, dogs, hamster, RBTC, not radio. Our all new listed token are there. So I just go for soul, then just click confirm. So congratulations, you have joined team A. Create specified tokens to power up your team, split mega rewards. Okay, great. I will provide the link in my Telegram channel guys. By clicking the description box you can come to my Telegram channel. So I will provide the link. Okay, you can see that after almost this event has 8 days to end. So after 8 days later this event will end. There are choose a team, trade the specific token, split the price pool. So you can see that this is my team. Team A soul, this is team A, and this is team B. Okay, so that's really great, and you can see the leaderboard from here guys. This is our leaderboard. So very soon I will start doing trade in soul token winning team awards. The winning team can earn, or the winning team can win up to 20,000 USDT prices, and the members will split the rewards based on their spot trading volume of specified tokens. New user exclusive referral rewards. You can see all things from here. I will provide the link in my comment box. So this is our most powerful and biggest offer of our today video. And now if you know that Gateway has been launched a pilot program, guys, you can trade on pilot program by clicking on trade. In the second option there are pilot. So after clicking on pilot, you will come in here. So guys, you can trade on pilot program because this is really a very great thing for us. You can see that after listed token, a token has been made a very big pump. This is the power of our pilot program. Many of token has been made a very biggest pump ever. Like I will show it. You can see that from here, like there are doggy token, Tarmin token, 8 doggy token, burger token, then Misha token. There have many tokens is still alive. So there are burger token. You can see that burger token's movement is really good, not bad. And this token try to run properly, then no have any problem. And I see that its movements is also too much good. Like there are also many other token like modding token. So this token is also has been listed recently. And risk reminder, compared with other tokens, this project is subject to greater fluctuated ons and risk. So please exercise caution. Okay, that's great. And you can see that this token already has been made 300x pump. That's really great. So I think you all are understand, and now I don't have anything to say. That's why I will end my video. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. So very